You were talking about that mainstream, got it real easy, like she got the call back. Dropping underneath that eave breeze, wanna watch your knees weak when they pass my name by. You know you sound cocky as fuck, but go and try good fucking luck. So if you ask to come and see me, show some fucking dignity, don't tell me how to live life. Make it go back at it again. Don't need to be in love to have a little romance. Sing it on the spot, so watch the crowd dance. And even if they're petrified, I hear their hearts prance. And I can be free from my tyranny. And fuck my emotions, they're coasting and moaning, no play on repeat. Fall in love, or we can go insane. We can play it rough, or we can play it safe. No matter what's above, the destinies are made. Or give us fucking lemons if I can just buy lemonade. And to make it go back at it again. Don't need to be in love to have a little